welcome to day 2, travel day, which was 2 days. We'll cast that as day 1. Day 2, we are at Saratoga Springs. And hi, my name's Amy. If you've never seen me before, I do Disney family vlogs and a Norwegian fjord cruise. I'll link those all down below, but there's plenty of travel vlogs coming your way. I think I need to explain a bit about what happened yesterday. We checked into Saratoga Springs, although we'd put in a room request for the Springs area because we are in a preferred room. They put us in Congress Park in probably one of the worst rooms they could have picked, which overlooks the walkway. People can literally look straight into the room, so we asked to be moved. So today we packed up again. We didn't unpack really yesterday, but today we packed up. Bell services are going to take our luggage and we will be checking into a room over on the Springs side later today. But this morning we've got Animal Kingdom booked and we have got breakfast at Tusker House and we are raring to go. I was awake at 4:30 this morning. Good old jet lag. Eli slept really well. Matt slept a bit as well, you know. This is where we are at this morning. It's very warm, especially having to repack all the suitcases, makes you kind of hot and sweaty. We picked up our owner's locker yesterday. I also picked up a package from a personal shopper called Cherry Tree Lane Shopper. I will try and link her down below if I can. It's a lady called Susan who runs it and she was lovely. And I got my parcel. I ordered a Haunted Mansion jumper and joggers set because I knew it was going to be out of stock by the time we got here, and honestly it's amazing. I'll show you in a haul video. We're raring to go today, aren't we?
Always.
Yeah, always. They're just nodding at me. So follow along for all our adventures. Animal Kingdom, 9:10, literally 10 minutes from Saratoga Springs. Nice. And now we are heading in. It's a balmy nice 29 degrees already, which let's see how I cope with this heat. How are you doing this morning, Matt?
Good.
You're good?
Be away.
Eli? Yeah? Say hello. This is Eli, by the way. I don't think you've already seen him yet. Good.
There you go.
Now we're down to the Tree of Life and all the shops. We're heading straight over to Tusker House because our reservation's at 9:40. It's 20 past. Oh, I'm gonna get the birds. Wow!
But we do have those blue darted macaws with us right up there. And
Disney for you. Just walking in and come all the birds.
Species of macaw that you can
Wow.
find here.
Here we go into Africa. Everybody wonders why it's hotter in Animal Kingdom. This is why. We've got so many more trees and tropical trees. It keeps the heat down. As in down on the ground, not low temperatures unfortunately. The Tusker House is just over here on the left. Down there, Port Harambe, that's the Lion King theatre. Off we go for our reservation. This is inside Tusker House. There's characters. Oh. Where are we going? Okay. Thank you. Very thirsty, yeah.
Thirsty work being a child.
You wave. Hi, Mickey. Oh, I'm going to get in with you. Ready? Hi, Mickey. Say hi. Can I get in? Get that beak in? I got waffle, sausage, bacon, breakfast barrels, patata, a bit of salmon, a bit of everything basically. You kind of have to just, oh my gosh, hot. You kind of just gotta get a bit of everything. They have like curry and everything for breakfast, so it's really good. You can see all the decor in here is like being in the Harambe market. And these are the foods. So cream cheese, bagels, breads, strawberry cream cheese, butter, marmalade, croissants, zebra coffee cake. Oh, they've got boiled eggs, salmon, tomatoes, capers, onions, cucumbers. And then house-made granola, honey Greek yogurt, berry compote and overnight oats. Watermelon feta salad, fresh fruit salad, carrot and chickpea salad. We've got the food stations. The kids station, which is over here, is always the most popular. We've got mega pap, cake melee, chicken curry, jasmine rice, Simba waffles, Mickey pancakes, and then there's bacon, sausage and potato barrels, scrambled eggs, frittata, shushushka, some croutons, breakfast potatoes, broccoli, possible boba tea. Oh, oatmeal, nice. Then your usual kids section. And that's where the syrup is as well, in case you wonder what that is. And they've got milk there, 2% milk. A non-kids section, but this doesn't have waffles. So scrambled eggs, bacon, andouille sausage, and rotisserie ham. This bit over here is an omelette station, so you can create your own omelettes. And then you've got breakfast pastries, so chocolate twists, blueberry muffins, fruits, guava pastries, mini cinnamon rolls, I can't speak. Yeah, and then your fruits. And down here is a bread and butter African Malva bread pudding. Get all of us in. Like, ah! We all get in. You'd be so tall. This is the walkway from, you've got Africa that way. You can walk around this back route. It's so beautiful. The dragonflies, the lily pads. It's very hot though. There's not a lot of shade on this little route. It's hot. It's 30 at 5 to 11. Warm. What did we think of Tusker House?
Well.
Out of 5? We only had breakfast today. We think that they're swapping the lunch food out later now. Yeah, I would say about 3. It's nice, but it's nicer when you can get 2 different menus, but that's not happening today. What about you, Eli?
It was good.
Yeah. It was alright, yeah, Eli had his waffles. We had breakfast stuff. It's going down on our scale though. We still love going there, and maybe not as much at the moment. We're heading into Pandora now. Now we're heading into the Valley of Moara. Welcome to Pandora. Eli's asking how do they make the mountains float, and it's with hidden steels. Like some of the vines that look like vines are actually steel and things like that. It's very, very clever. Very good piece of architectural engineering. These are the mountains that he's talking about. Floating mountains. Over here is Satuli Canteen. And then you've got the Pongu Pongu with the robot and the shop off the end of Avatar. Oh, Flight of Passage, sorry. This is the Pandora Avatar shop. And you can buy lots of different things. Thank you. The little plants. Cool. There's quite a lot of merch. Glow in the dark merch. You can build your own bracelets over here. $19.99. Oh, that's cool. Spirit jersey. The Rookery, where you can buy a banshee. I've walked over to Everest. The little rainstorm just now, literally like a few minutes whilst we were getting our cooling towels. So I'm soaked to the skin, but I don't care. Having a great time. Me and Eli are gonna go on Everest now. Matt's not coming on this. Too whippy around the neck for him, shall we say? Everest. Ooh. So Eli and I just went on Everest. What do you think of Everest? Good. Yeah? You enjoy it? We were stuck inside for a little bit, but we were in the aircon at least, so it's fine. But yeah, been on Everest. It is now, it's 1:45. We've kind of pottered around a bit, but we are going to head back to the resort and see if we can check into our second room. Room 4423 is the one we've moved to. To come in, you've got the adjoining room on the right, this little nook on the left. Good aircon, and this one the aircon's on. Some hooks, got a little kitchen area, proper fridge. Got some bits under the, just some storage, and then some storage up here as well. Microwave, locked bit there, which is for housekeeping. Okay. You've got the safe, and then you've got a cupboard with iron and a hoover and a big mirror, sink. I think there's a hairdryer in there. Bathroom. Get the H2O, well not, yeah, oh, we've got no stickers on them. Toiletries, shower, double shower head, bathroom. And you come into the main room, it's Matt and Eli. You've got the king bed, little storage bit, the unit with plug sockets and USBs, not USB-Cs. Some drawers. There is on that side as well. And then we've got plugs on the lights and USBs as well. Yeah. In the room, Eli's modelling the size of the sofa for you. So that's a pull down bed. This lifts up to be a table, like so. And there is storage underneath as well. So if you want to eat there, it's on wheels though, so it's a little bit fiddly to close. Push. That's it. Cool. And then this is our balcony. Turn lever to unlock. The aircon switches off when you come outside. And this is our balcony. Lovely. We're up on the top floor as well. I feel like we might have bigger balconies than the other rooms actually on the top floor. Yeah, nice. Beautiful up here. Much happier than the other room, which just overlooked the walkway where everybody was standing smoking. Nice. Right, now we've got our suitcases. Time to unpack. We've had a nap, a long nap. We desperately needed a nap. It's now 5:45 and we are going to head out onto the 192 because we need to go to Target to get some bits and pieces, and we are going to go to Chick-fil-a if the queue isn't massive, Target, and then we'll see where the evening takes us. Good old Chick-fil-A. Got strips, kids meal. I've gone for the, Eli's got like a kids meal milestone, and I've gone for the club. Yum. It's about 11 PM now. A lot Well, not so much. A lot has happened. We basically went to Chick-fil-a, which you saw, and then after Chick-fil-a we went to Target. While we were in Target, there was a big thunderstorm came over, so we kind of dragged out being in Target. And then we came back, got ready, went for a swim at the pool. I'll show you the pool and stuff in a later video, but we were just, honestly, today has been pretty exhausting because we've moved rooms, we went to Animal Kingdom. It's very hot, like I stay on my skin. It's been a good day. Follow along, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. You know how it goes. And I will see you tomorrow.